Singapore's Chinatown was once the settlement for the Chinese ancestors, and today's Chinatown is filled with the authentic atmosphere and activities of those early days. With the Chinese being the largest indigenous group in Singapore, you can be assured of a wide variety of Chinese dishes. So, let's take a look around Chinatown. Chinatown's indoor wet market, and as you can see, some of the stalls are still closed and not many people are here, but it's very early. I thought I'd get here before the mad rush starts. I guess it's called a wet market because people are constantly hosing down all their fresh produce, all the chickens and the fruit and vegetables and stuff. So I've actually rolled my trousers up so they don't get wet. Groovy, eh? It doesn't look too exciting at the moment, but let's wander around and just see what we can find. I was wrong. It's actually very interesting, and if you've ever travelled miles to some beautiful remote beach somewhere on an island to see turtles in their natural habitat, you might not be too happy because here they are, waiting for the pot. Live turtles. Because of course the Chinese enjoy clear turtle soup. They don't cook the shell, they cook the meat of the turtle, and apparently that's for medicinal purposes. Look at this, frogs, loads of them. Because the Chinese eat frogs' legs, as do the French. But the difference between the French and the Chinese is that, again, the Chinese apparently eat frogs' legs for health benefits. Let's go. Now this is a very healthy stall, all sorts of things that are so good for you. Up there, the curly stuff on the right is apparently very good if you've got sugar diabetes. Then you've got aloe vera, which is superb for you. And then you've got water chestnuts there, 2 different types of cane. Sugar cane and Michael Caine. Then you got some ginger, some blue ginger and some ordinary ginger. I think that's lemongrass. And if you love your gin and tonics, you'll be very happy in Chinatown in Singapore because look, loads of fresh limes. Never seen those before. Black chickens. Apparently if you cook them just the ordinary way, they'll end up just like a normal chicken, but if you cook them with certain herbs, they'll retain their blackness, and apparently that's very good, again, for medicinal purposes, a good tonic. Look at this, it's just like a horror movie. Chicken's feet. Apparently the Chinese eat the whole chicken, and what they do is they'll put a chicken's foot into their mouth, and they'll get all the goodness out, and they'll roll up into a ball with their tongues, all the nails and skin and stuff, and then with their chopsticks they'll take that bit out and throw it away. So that's what your chopsticks are for, not for chasing around bits of rice in a bowl, it's for getting rid of the chicken's nails and skin. Upstairs apparently they're selling some Chinese food. I'm going to go up there now. Just hope there are no beaks and nails and feet and things. There she is, busy preparing for the lunchtime rush. Actually, the smells up here are wonderful. Sometimes you get a quick whiff of chilli and it hits you at the back of the throat as well. Very nice here, look. Got the roast duck, and then next to it, very conveniently, some chili sauce, so you can get that at the same time. And then over on that side, what happens here apparently is you just choose which dish you want, and then they'll give you rice to go with each dish. So far, no chicken's heads and no chicken's feet. I was quite looking forward to that, really. Not. These are local dishes here, which just are special to Chinatown, special for this area. And then look over here, really nice. Fresh food, different varieties of Chinese food. You've got some, I think that's sort of like Fu Young up there. And then the old bean curd, the tofu down there, which everybody seems to love. Some sort of white fish up there. And then I think that's black bean, fish with black bean. Okay, you feast your eyes on that lot because there's much more of Chinatown that I've got to see. Ah, now this is Chinatown's answer to a convenience food store. Food that's ready to serve, ready to eat, really good for special occasions like Chinese New Year, very popular. Hello.
Hey,
hi.
How are you?
Hello, pleased to meet you.
Yes.
Okay, what have you got here?
We have this barbecue lobster.
Oh, and look at that, no monosodium glutamate, no preservatives, very nice. Let's try a bit of that. Barbecue lobster. Where do you barbecue the meat?
It's in our barbecue room.
On the premises? Oh, that is wonderful. What's here? Pork, chili pork, chicken, chili beef, barbecue beef. I know that the Singapore government are very strict with the meat, aren't they?
Yes,
particularly the pork.
Yes.
Yeah. Where do you get your pigs from now?
From Australia and Indonesia, Batam.
Okay. So it tastes very nice. Let's try the pork. Oh, delicious. What are these?
Oh, this is crispy prawn meat.
So like prawn crackers,
yes.
yeah?
Prawn
Try that.
crackers. And this is,
Oh.
it comes in this way.
They are the best prawn crackers ever. I've got to buy some of those. How much are they?
It's $10 a box.
Oh yes, please, definitely. One of
Let
those.
me give you a bag.
Oh yes, lovely bag. Thank you very much indeed. There's your $10.
Yes.
Excellent, thanks, bye.
Thank you.
It's lunch. Well, I definitely need something to go with my prawn crackers, so just look at these. Pastries galore. Hello everybody. Hi. What have we got here?
This
Cocktail bun. What's
cocktail bun inside the coconut and butter.
So that's sweet.
Yes.
Yeah. Chicken curry bun. Oh, wonderful. Have you got a mark curry bun? No. A chicken sausage bun?
Chicken sausage.
Luncheon
and
meat bun?
meat.
Oh, can we just have a look down there, see how you make them? Do you mind? Come on, tour of the kitchen. Hello, will only be 2 minutes. Hello there.
Yes.
Look at these just going in. What's going in here? What is it?
Egg tart.
Egg tart.
Yes.
So you make everything on the premises?
Yes, correct.
Oh, the smell
baking.
is fantastic. Beautiful. So you do sweet and savoury things here?
It's a cooked egg tart.
Oh, gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Oh, lovely. We'll be staying here for a while. Thank you very much indeed. You're obviously very busy, very popular here, yes?
Yes, thank you.
Are they expensive? Are they cheap?
No,
Marvellous, okay. Excuse me, is it possible to have a chicken curry bun? Yes? How much are they?
60 cents.
60 cents. There you go. Thank you. Chicken curry bun. Lovely. It's okay. Let's try it, see what it's like. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, delicious. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Well, that's Chinatown, just one of the many jewels of this island. If you visit Singapore, it's a must-see.